Hey everybody, Doug from First Response Land. It's been a while, but we're going to get back at this. So today we're out in Butler. We're going to be doing a mulch install of black hardwood. We'll go around quick and I'll show you some of what we're going to be doing, what it looks like now, and what it's going to look like at the end. So we're going to be coming under there, around the shed, and all the way along this fence line. This is also the back of the backyard. So we'll be coming through here. Going to be going along the driveway there. Everything was trimmed up as much as it could be last week. It's going to come around the fire pit area. Then we'll clean this out some, and we're going to be dropping mulch all the way through here, all the way up to the end back there. You can see on the other side of the trees we also have to get some over on that side, but we'll do that from the other side. Then the majority of the mulch is going to be in the front yards. So we've got this bed around here. This main front bed. Bushes, got a bunch of trees, these tilers blowing the leaves out of the bed so that we're not just piling on top of leaves. More trees. More trees. So once we're done, it should look real good. We did this one last year too. This is our second year doing this one, and we will see what it looks like soon. Alright, so this mulch job is done. We ended up with about 9 or 10 yards of black hardwood down, and let's go through it. So this is the shed area out in the back. Got around the trees, you can see everything up on the back of the patio area. These areas are tougher because you have to get into plants. And coming through here, obviously we're going to pick up those sticks. And this is the backyard. It looked really good before we went to get more mulch, and then more leaves came down, which is a constant battle in this yard. So that's the back area. Coming back through the walkway. Got everything along the front. All the way along the beds, all the way to that back tree. Got your bushes, trees. Everything's done. So that's this mulch job. We've been doing a ton of them. If you need to get some mulch put down, give us a call or shoot us a message. Have a good one. Stay safe.